Throughput, latency, and bandwidth are all important concepts in networking and computing, but they refer to different aspects of data transmission. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the maximum rate of data transfer across a network path. It is typically measured in bits per second, (bps), kilobits per second, kbps, megabits per second, Mbps, or gigabits per second, Gbps. Think of bandwidth as the width of a pipe. The wider the pipe, the more data can flow through it at once. However, bandwidth alone doesn't indicate how fast data can be transferred or how quickly a file can be downloaded. Throughput. Throughput is the actual amount of data that is successfully transmitted through a network or processed by a system over a certain period of time. It measures the real performance of data transfer, accounting for factors like network congestion, errors, and protocol overhead. Throughput is also measured in bits per second, (bps), kilobits per second, kbps, megabits per second, Mbps, or gigabits per second, Gbps, just like bandwidth. Unlike bandwidth, which represents the theoretical maximum capacity, throughput reflects the practical performance experienced by users. Latency. Latency, also known as delay, is the time it takes for data to travel from its source to its destination. It includes various components such as propagation delay, time taken for the signal to travel through the medium, transmission delay, time taken to push all the bits of a packet onto the link, and processing delay, time taken to process the packet at intermediate nodes. Latency is typically measured in milliseconds, ms, or microseconds, s. Low latency is desirable, especially for real-time applications like online gaming, video conferencing, and financial trading, where even small delays can be noticeable. In summary, bandwidth represents the maximum data transfer capacity, throughput represents the actual data transfer rate, and latency represents the delay in data transmission. All three factors are crucial for understanding and optimizing the performance of networks and systems.